Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this ninth algebra math simplification problem and we are to find the value of x. So guys, the first thing guys you want to do right here is to simply square both sides. So we have this to be the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 6 is equals to 12. So squaring both sides right here. Now applying this formula to the left hand side of this equation that says a plus b all square, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So from the left hand side of this equation, we have that a is equals to the root of x and b is equals to the square root of x minus 6. So hence, we have this to be the root of x all square plus the root of x minus 6 all square plus 2 multiply the root of x multiply the square root of x minus 6. This is equals to 12 raised to the power of 2 is 144. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have x plus this cancel out this. We have x minus 6 plus 2 roots of x multiply root of x minus 6, and this is equals to 144. So we have x plus x is 2x plus 2 multiply the root of x multiply the root of x minus 6 is equals to 144. So this minus 6 is going to cross and equal to, so it becomes plus 6. So from here we have 2 to be common. So if you factor out 2 from the left hand side, so if you factor out 2, we have this to be x plus the root of x plus the root of x minus 6, and this is equal to 144 plus 6 is 150. So divide both sides by 2 right here. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have x plus the root of x multiply the root of x minus 6, and this is equals to 2 here 1 2 into 150. We have this to be 75 right here. So we have x plus, now this can be expressed as x into x minus 6, and this is equals to 75. Okay, so from here we have this to be x plus the square root of x multiply x is x square minus x multiply 6 is 6x, which is equals to 75. So the next thing we want to do is to isolate the square root of x square minus 6x. So isolating that, we have this to be the square root of x square minus 6x is equals to 75 minus x. So squaring both sides right here, if we square this, now we're going to apply this formula to the right hand side that says a minus b all square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and we have a is equals to 75 and b is equals to x. Alright, so applying this formula right here, we have this to be, so from here up to this point, this is going to cancel out this. So we have x square minus 6x is equals to, now for 75 minus x all raised to the power of 2, this becomes 75 all square plus x all square minus 2 multiply 75 minus x. So we have x square minus 6x is equals to, so we have this to be 75 all square plus x square minus 2 multiply 75 is 150, multiply x is 150x. Okay, so from here x square is going to cancel out x square, and we have this to be 150x minus 6x is equals to 75 all square. Alright, so 150x minus 6x is going to give us 144x, which is equals to, now 75 square can be expressed as 75 multiply 75. So divide both sides by 144 to isolate x. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have this to be x is equals to 75 multiply 75 divide. Now 144 can be expressed as 12 multiply 12. So from here we have that x is equals to 3 into 75 is going to give us 25, and 3 into 12 is going to give us 4. 3 into 12 4, 3 into 75 is 25. So we have this to be 25 multiply 25 divide 4 multiply 4. So x is equals to 25 multiply 25 is 625 divide 4 multiply 4 is 16, and this becomes the value of x. You can easily divide this, so we have x to be approximately 39.0625. Alright, so we have this right here. So guys, what we want to do next is to simply verify to check if our answer is correct. So right here to verify, we have the question to be the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 6 is equals to 12, and we have x is equals to 625 over 16. So we have this to be the square root of 625 over 16 plus the square root of 625 over 16 minus 6, and this is equals to 12. So we have this to be the square root of 625 divided the square root of 16 plus the square root of, so taking the LCM of this, we have this to be 16, and this is over 1. 16 into 16 is 1. 1 times 625 is 625 minus 1 into 16, 16. So we have this to be 6 multiply what, 16, and this is equals to 12. So we have this to be the square root of 625. We have this to be 25 over the square root of 16 is 4 plus the square root of 625 minus 6 multiply 16, we have it to be 96 divide 16, which is equals to 12, and we have 25 over 4 plus the square root of 625 minus 96 will give us 529 over 16, which is equals to 12. So we have 25 over 4 plus the square root of 529 divided the square root of 16 is equals to 12, and we have 25 over 4 plus the square root of 529, we have this to be 23 divided the square root of 16 is 4, which is equals to 12. So since we have a common denominator, we're going to pick out one, so this becomes 4. So we have 25 plus 23, which is equals to 12. 25 plus 23, we have this to be 48 divided 4, which is equals to 12, and 48 divided 4 is 12, which is equals to 12. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So right here, guys, we have been able to solve this ninth algebra math simplification problem, and we have been able to find the value of x. So right here we see that the value of x is equals to 625 over 16, and this becomes the final answer. So with this, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.